Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered, could we actually live on Mars? It's a question that's captured our imagination for decades. The red planet, our dusty neighbor, has long been a source of fascination for scientists and dreamers alike. Major players like NASA and even private companies like SpaceX are not just dreaming, they're actively planning missions to send humans there. But here's the reality check. Surviving on Mars would be nothing like what you see in the movies. It would be one of the most difficult challenges humanity has ever faced. First, let's talk about the air, or rather, the lack of it. Mars has almost no breathable oxygen. Its atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Even on a warm day at the Martian equator, it might barely reach a temperature you'd consider mild on Earth, before plummeting as soon as the sun sets. Hungry. Forget about farming in an open field. The Martian soil, or regolith, is full of toxic perchlorates. We can't grow crops in it directly. Plus, without a protective atmosphere, plants would freeze and die. So, how would we actually pull this off? The answer lies in creating a tiny artificial bubble of Earth on a hostile world. Humans would have to live inside completely sealed habitats. These would likely be built underground to provide natural shielding from the relentless radiation. Outside, astronauts would need incredibly advanced spacesuits, essentially personal spacecraft, providing oxygen, pressure, and warmth just to take a single step on the Martian surface. To solve the food and water problem, scientists are exploring some truly innovative solutions. For food, the plan is to use hydroponics or aeroponics, growing plants inside controlled environments, like high-tech greenhouses. These facilities would recycle everything air, water, and nutrients, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Scientists are also experimenting with 3D printing technology. The idea is to use the Martian soil itself as a building material, printing everything from bricks to entire habitats. This would save us from having to launch a massive amount of construction materials from Earth, which would be incredibly expensive. Looking further into the future, there's the ambitious idea of terraforming Mars. This means transforming the entire planet to make it more Earth-like. We could theoretically warm the planet, thicken its atmosphere, and eventually introduce liquid water to the surface. But this isn't a quick fix. Terraforming Mars would be a monumental project, likely taking hundreds, if not thousands, of years to complete. It's a dream for our distant descendants, not something we'll see in our lifetimes. It will be a challenging, dangerous frontier outpost. But it could represent humanity's first real step toward becoming an interplanetary species, spreading out among the stars. The journey to Mars is more than just a technological challenge. It's a testament to our relentless drive to explore, to push boundaries, and to reach for what seems impossible.